Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And now this is the part 2 of how to purchase US items, especially on Amazon or on other sites, and being able to ship it to the Philippines. Now, this is the part 2 and I'll be giving you some tips on how to buy items on Amazon and make sure that the quality is good. So, first and foremost, when you're looking for some items, you need to check the reviews, and just to be sure, it should be verified reviews. Recently I purchased a laptop for one of my siblings, and I chose this one because of reviews, and it says Amazon's choice. So to be exact, it means that this is a good quality product. I mean, this product is a good quality because it's an Amazon choice. It means that there are good number of sales for this, and there are a lot of good reviews for this product. And if you're going to notice, this is being sold by a seller, but it is fulfilled by Amazon, which means that the item itself has been shipped to the warehouse of Amazon already. And if you purchase this one, Amazon will be the one who will be shipping this item to whichever address you will be indicating in the ship out. In the shipping method, or once you check out and buy the item. So if you're looking for reviews, make sure that they are verified reviews. Let's go down to reviews. Alright, so if you notice, these are not verified reviews because it doesn't says verified purchase beside the name. So let's go and look for verified reviews. Oh, sorry, my bad. It's in here. It says that verified purchase. So it means that this is a verified purchase. The person did purchase the item, and the person did provide a review for this item. So make sure that there are lots of good verified purchase reviews. Alright, just like this one. So that more likely, especially for electronic gadgets, more likely you will be getting a good item. And it's hard to return this because this is being shipped from the US. If you're ordering it to be shipped to be shipped to the Philippines. And here are some common questions and answers as well by users. And for example, here, how much memory expansion is possible if we want more than 8 later. It says 16 gigabytes of RAM. So, and for the warranty, it's international, for example. So you just read the common questions and answer as well here. Now, alright, so that is one of the tips actually. And again, please read the specifications, which is very important. Okay, and check out the price if you can afford it. Very important as well. Okay, so for shipping cart, what you usually do, of course, is you're going to ship it to your virtual address. And for this one, guys, once you shop on Amazon, as long as it's fulfilled by Amazon, once you go over $25 and all those items are fulfilled by Amazon, once you check out, it would give you a free shipping option, and please take advantage of that so that you don't need to pay any shipping fee on your Amazon shopping. All right, so here's my account. Check, and that is my address. Alright, and those are my Philippine addresses, and that's my sister's address. Well, but anyhow, recently I have purchased some items on behalf of my sister. So once you get the items on shipping cart, well, if they're not very important items, especially not electronics, you can just choose Sea Cargo. And one of the updates, guys, for shipping cart is that the shipping fee is not in peso anymore. It's in US dollars now. And before, when it was still in peso, you can pay it via LVC branches, but now you need to pay it via credit card. I'm not sure with debit card, because recently I used a debit card. It's a Land Bank debit card, Visa card, and it didn't go through. It says, there was an error. So I used my brother's credit card. It's a VPI MasterCard, and it did work. So I guess it should be, you should use a credit card for this one since it's in USD. But for Amazon, guys, you can use a Visa or MasterCard debit card. It works, totally works. But for shipping card, recently with my experience, you need to have a credit card to pay for the shipping fee. Alright, so what else? When you're shipping, especially for air cargos, it's best to buy lightweight products like like shirts or no, not really books, or like hats or bags. Any light items is good for the air cargo stuff because you need to pay more because it will be via airplane. But for sea cargo, you can choose like heavier items if you would like to, but you need to make sure that the total cost, the amount that you paid for in Amazon, and the shipping fee on shipping cart, the total amount would not be would not equate to the usual price here in the Philippines. It should be lower so that you can save some money. For example, if a KitchenAid costs you like 50,000 here in the Philippines or 30,000, and the total cost if you're on Amazon plus the shipping fee on shipping cart is around 30,000 as well, then just buy it in the malls. But if you can find items which is cheaper if you purchase on Amazon, even if you still pay for a shipping fee and shipping cart, then you can buy it on Amazon as well. And for shipping estimates, you can just use this tool. Alright, the dimensions is actually if you're purchasing it on Amazon, the dimensions is over here. Item dimension. Just copy and paste each of those here. Okay, length times width times length times width times height. Okay, so basically those are the most important thing that you need to cover once you shop on Amazon. And recently, just to add, I have discovered a way to shop on Amazon without having cash, and that is creating or posting honest software reviews on this site, getup.com. We have Cupterra.com. We also have G2 Crowd. Alright. And so we also have TrustRadius. If you're using, if you know a lot of softwares, even like for Cupterra and for, for GetUp and Cupterra, you can review like Facebook, Instagram, very common and popular platforms. LinkedIn, and you can earn some money. For GetUp, you can earn up to like $110 as well as with Cupterra. And then for G2 Crowd, they invite you every now and then. So with your first paid review, you first create a free review, then they invite you for a paid review. You can earn from 10 to 20 Amazon coupon codes, gift cards, rather. So you can use them to buy and purchase some items, and I did that recently as well. Okay, so it's very important that and I have another video for that one wherein you can earn $5 of gift card on your first review, and then you'll later on be invited for more paid reviews. So I'll be putting the details of earning Amazon gift cards on the description below, so please check it out. And there's another video for that actually, and where you can actually take advantage of the first paid review rather than just giving your first review for free. Alright, this is very good for freelancers and for techie people like developers and the others. Just check out that video. I'll put the link on the description below. Thank you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put a comment below as well, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. That's it, guys. Thanks for checking out my channel again. Have a nice day. Happy shopping on Amazon and the other sites in the US.